is a program which slowly gets into the subconscious. Then it comes, and it takes at least 21 days to form a habit. There shouldn't be a single day's gap. That's the idea to it. Also, I have realized, I always tell my clients or my patients, take the particular time. It should be at the same time, preferably the same place, and repeated without a single day's gap, depending on the intensity of your negativity. 21 days, a month, 2 months, whatever. Write it down because you're not able to think straight. Keep writing. First day, maybe not. Second day, maybe not. 10th day, maybe not. Trust me. 15, 20, 21 days, then the vibrations begin. And when the vibration begin, you come onto the positive side of your thoughts. That's how it works. So
That's
it's not very
brilliant.
easy, but it's not impossible. I am possible is what impossible says. So there's nothing which you can't achieve.
Absolutely. I so know that. Okay, so Sarah, we are here to talk about and spread more awareness about when you become a healer or when you become and come into a wellness industry. There are so many ways that this business is considered to be. People do not look at it as business, but I'm a joy of business coach myself, and I know that how important and valuable these all these concepts are, and how important it is to spread awareness around these concepts. So my question to you is, would you like to tell our everybody who's here to talk more about what is DMIT? Because we will be going about what is DMIT. We'll be talking about your energy medicine in
Okay.
relation to spirituality and Healy, the product that you wish to introduce to the people. So
Okay.
beginning with DMIT.
Okay. So DMIT is something which I started in 2013, and I can definitely say one of the pioneers in Nagpur. So its full term is the Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. It's done through the fingerprint scan, and you have had an experience with your son. And I have in this past 7 years, almost 8 years now, DMIT doing it not across India, but I've done it in Dubai, in Sri Lanka, in Muscat, and in Melbourne. Whereas in Muscat, the vice principal actually invited me for the DMIT for his students. And I also have the feedback as a testimony of the principal of Star International School, Dubai, where she said it's mandatory for every student. But Parveen, if you ask me, today it's mandatory for every person. It gives you such a huge concept of yourself, your personality, your strengths, your talents. And for me, today, DMIT is, like when I did my DMIT, I have a reverse on my emotions. A reverse pattern people is a person is an out of box thinker, curious, never satisfied with doing one thing, a rule breaker. So I've broken all rules in practice. I've never stuck to my ground. And I think that has stood me in good stead because today, if I sit over here as a holistic complete healer and not just a homeopath, it's the reverse on my emotions. So, now, going into a complete research of DMIT, I realized when, especially, I did it in Dubai, where the families came to me. Family counselings were brilliant, relationship issues solved brilliantly, career options, of course, for students, for very small children, for the parents to really know and understand how to bring them up, especially if your child has got a reverse pattern. He or she needs real grooming because he's an out of box thinker. So that has to be developed and not snubbed because they think a little differently, and you would feel, is she mad or is he mad, what is he talking about? But no, that's that out of box curiosity. So DMIT, I have also been able to sometimes use it for my healing. Like, for example, a very strongly auditory person, I have had this case because he was auditory and in a room where he was studying was silent, he actually started hearing sounds. And when he
Hmm.
came to me, his sentence was, Doctor, silence kills me. You see, he
Okay.
was auditory. He should have studied loudly. He should not have
Yeah.
been in close confines. So sometimes it has helped me even in treating patients. So DMIT today is just not something which I would say is for career counseling or for children.
Hmm.
It's for everyone. And in corporates, I've been able to make sure people are placed in the right
Yeah.
portfolios. Like if you have a receptionist, she needs to have interpersonal skills, she needs to have language skills.
Yeah.
Now, the fact is, the report is a lifetime report. It does not change. But you can change what you need to change or want to change because programming of the subconscious mind is possible. But what you need to program, I come to know your personality, your strengths, etc. through DMIT. It helps me a lot.
So it's a
So, yeah,
great self-awareness tool that you were saying. DMIT is a great
complete.
self-awareness tool.
I mean, if you
Okay,
need,
that's
if you would
brilliant.
like to know yourself, you really want
Yeah.
to reach your highest potential, DMIT is for
Hmm.
you.
Awesome. That sounds great. So tell us more about there is something which is you call this as quantum science in respect to spirituality. What is it all about and how do you like who are the people who come to you around looking at quantum physics and who are searching for spiritual upliftment, evolvement, and how does quantum physics help them? And how do you, as a counselor and a therapist, invite them and help them to achieve what they are looking for?
You know something, Parveen, first and foremost, nobody comes to me for quantum. They only come to me for medicines, homeopathy.
Okay.
But I'll tell
Okay.
you something very wonderful which happens to me. So
Mm-hmm.
there are some of my patients whom I just they come to me and I just give them the medicines and it's done. And I have this habit whenever anybody comes to me, or even when an patient comes, or even a DMIT or any sessions I give, I always go into taking an intent, whatever is right. Say, example, if you come, I would say, whatever is right for Parveen, I choose to give it to her now.
Mm-hmm.
So when I say whatever is right for Parveen, I choose, it's not me giving, it's the divine. So there have been not one, several cases where some of the patients, when they come and I take this intent, so okay, whatever is right for him, I choose to give. And I hear myself just speaking all about quantum, all about spirituality, all about chakras and everything. And the best thing is that they relate to it. And that's how then I, put them into the several, whether it's chakras, whether it's spiritual healing, or whether it's the actual frequency healing, it's all intertwined. So when you're
Yeah.
talking about chakras, it's emotional blocks. When you're talking
Yeah.
about spirituality, what are we talking about? I don't talk about any religions, I don't talk about any rituals. I'm just talking about the essence of human living. The way that a human being should live, the way of life, as in Buddhism or as in Jainism, all these things, they don't believe in kind of all rituals, especially Buddhism. So it's a way of life. So
Yeah.
spirituality is basically nothing but a way of life. And I always, when especially addressing the youth, I always tell them that look, when I'm talking about spirituality, I don't expect that you should think of some ashrams or giving up this, giving up that, or anything. Pina hai pio. Don't let the drink you. Spirit and spirituality बहुत close है.
Go go create with the spirit.
गर्लफ्रेंड अगर ये एज में नहीं रखोगे तो कब मेरी एज में होंगे तब बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड रखोगे क्या बट रिस्पेक्ट द गर्ल so
I get
spirituality is basically just being a good human being, unconditional love, forgiveness, gratitude, surrender, all that is spirituality.
yeah.
And
True.
I correlate it to science, the
Yeah.
quantum energy aspect. So there I, being a doctor, I couldn't just accept that just by changing my thoughts or just by visualizing, I heal myself. That
Yeah.
mind of mine, the scientific brain of mine, did want to delve deeper into it, which is the reason today I strongly state here all holistic therapies, whether it's access, whether it's quantum, whether it's Reiki, innumerable therapies, they are all scientific and they are all energy. And
Yeah.
energy, when you're talking about quantum, tell me, is it not science? It's not just some
Absolutely.
thing which we are talking of philosophy. It's an
Yeah.
art, it's a science. So that's how the spirituality and quantum are really married together. They should remain together to give a complete holistic healing to the clients and the patients.
Brilliant. And now we also have, like Sarah Chimtanawala also has an instrument which actually can and test your vibrational frequency and how well, can test your wellness meter, whatever you can call it. So, Sarah, let's talk more about the Healy device that you have.
So this is the most amazing thing. This is Healy, a small little gadget like that. Okay,
Yeah.
it comes in for basic, I would say, what levels. So the first one is, prices. I would say the prices. So the basic Healy has got say about 2022 programs. Then you go on higher and higher, and the most topmost one has 120 programs along